afternoon.
Hello,
Yeah, good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Okay, so last time we had completed Google Analytics, and today what we are going to do is Google Ads. So, yeah, so today we will start with Google AdWords, that is Google Ads. So, for that also, we just require a Google account, that is Gmail account, and we sign in to Google Ads.
So I guess you haven't shared the screen.
Oh, one sec. Okay, now is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so yes. So this is Google Ads. So this is if we want to do any paid advertisement, say like we have created a website and we have promoted off-page SEO, we have done all that. But now, say if for a company they want to do some paid promotions so that they can get immediate awareness and let people know that yes, we have started something new, or say even general promotions, time to time seasonal promotions. Say they might be launching some campaigns or something like that, or some say Diwali, say like Amazon does all the promotions everywhere. So for that reason, say if you want to do some paid promotions, those are the things that we can do with the help of Google Ads. So I mean, whenever we go to Google and I search for anything like digital marketing courses, and over here you can see this is the ad. Over here, this is ad, this is ad. Like this, we see various ads over here. So these are called as pay-per-click ads, or we can also call it as search ads. So search ads appears only with on Google search engine, and it will come up only when people will search for any keywords in Google search. So this is one of the best place where we can provide our ads, so that when we will incur the cost only when people will search for something and click on our ads. Just for displaying the ads, we won't incur any amount that we have uploaded. So this is called as search ads. Then we can have say display ads. So display ads, you have already seen it on my website. Say in the blog sections, you have seen the various banners on my website. So those are all display ads. So display ads over here I can show you on any of the blog page. Okay, so over here you can see this ad. So here you can see this is ads by Google. So this is one of the ad. Then over here also you can see this is the video ad over here. So this ad is there. Then on the right hand side you have this ad over here. This is also ads by Google. This is also ads by Google. So like this, we can see various ads over here. So we can place these ads. Plus, apart from that, we have say various YouTube ads, skippable and non-skippable ads. Those ads can be put up by using this Google Ads. So all this comes under search engine marketing. So whenever people say talk about search engine marketing, it is always Google Ads and nothing else. So this is what we are going to learn today, that how we can place various ads over here. So now to start with, uh, we have a few things over here. The first thing over here is say campaigns. Say like we have various campaigns. So over here what I can show you is one second, I'll just go to home. Okay, yeah. So the first thing is campaigns. So in campaigns we will select what are the different types of campaigns that we want. So whether it is a sale campaign, so over here say like we have sales, we want lead generation to be done, or else we just want traffic on our website, we want people to visit our website, then that is possible. Then we have products and brand consideration, so that we can encourage people to explore products and services on our website, or else brand awareness, wherein we can reach broad audience and build awareness. So this is for awareness, we can use this. And or else if we have an Android app, then we can Android or iOS app, we can promote our apps, so that more and more people can download our app and install it in their devices. So these are called as campaigns, so we can select any of the campaign over here. So this is the first thing is campaigns. Then the next thing is ad groups. So under ad groups we need to select different budgets and audiences. So we can select different what is who are our target audience, what is the budget, then who where do we want, what is the location that we want to promote. So like I want my ad to be seen only in Mumbai, or say I can select cities, state and countries and combination of all the things, all the three. So maybe I can select Mumbai, then in the state I can select Karnataka, or say Gujarat or Rajasthan, or any of the states that is possible. Or else if I want to select the whole country as a whole country, then that is even possible. Maybe I can select US, UK or Australia or anything, whatever I want. I can select that options, and in combination also, so that is possible. So those all things can be done with the help of ad groups. And then finally we have ads. So ads is the actual thing where we are going to create the different ads. So like over here on the website that you saw various display ads, or say on Google you saw these ads. So this is the creation of the different ads. Now say like suppose in the campaign over here, if I am selecting a new campaign and I am creating a sales campaign, then under that I will be we will have ad group, and in that ad group I will be selecting a particular audience and a particular budget and a particular location, and then under that I will create ads. Now next time whenever I come, and if I want to start a sales campaign, I will not create a new sales campaign. So it is like a flow chart. So under sales we can have various ad groups, then under ad groups we can, under each ad group we can have various ads. So it is like that. So it is a tree that is going down and to various levels deep, so that is possible. So under one campaign we can have multiple ad groups, and under each ad group we can have multiple ads going on. So every time I do not need to create an campaign like for sales, but if I want to create a campaign for leads, then I need to create a separate campaign, because under sales I cannot have a leads campaign and I cannot create lead advertisements for under sales. So that is the reason we create a new campaign. So over here we can have, say we can drive more online sales and in app by phone or in store, or say on the website. So those all things are possible. And we can also have say drive traffic to the store. Store is the physical location where we can drive sales, so even that facility is provided. So now whenever I click on sales, then every campaign will have different types of ads available. Say like when I select sales, then I can have a campaign type can be search ads, that is these ads we are talking about. Then display ads, that is the banners that you saw on the website. Then the shopping ads. So shopping ads, let me just show you some shopping ads over here. Say like say like women's fashion. So maybe I can get okay, it's not there. Then maybe say like okay, Okay, see over here, these are ads. Over here, you can see this is ads, and these are all the ads from Amazon, Samsung.com, then Amazon.in, Amazon.in. So like this, we have various shopping ads. So these are called as shopping ads. So if you want to display a catalog like this in Google, when people will search for various products over here, then we can have these kind of things also available. So this is really very good when people will search, because say normally people will search on Google or YouTube, but the first preference would always be Google, wherein they can search anything, all the text, shopping, and say images or anything they are looking for, they will search over here, because they want to know they want to have more information about those products or whatever they are searching for. So this shopping ads are really very good. So that is one of the shopping ads, shopping campaigns that we have. Then video is the ads that come up in YouTube, like skippable ads or non-skippable ads or mid-roll ads which come up between the video that is going on. So those are the ads whenever we play a particular video. So that is video ads. Then we have smart discovery ads, smart and discovery ads. So these ads come up automatically depending on whatever target audience and location we have given, and some of the ads will pick up the content from our website directly, and it will come up. And discovery ad is say mostly discovery ads would come up in YouTube, where people will search for some content. So like I will just show you that we go to YouTube, and say I might search for something like, say, digital marketing. Okay, so I search for digital marketing. So over here you can see these all ads are coming up. So these ads are discovery ads. So here we can see these all ads are there. So these ads comes up, and say even when we are playing say a video, say, then in that
Meet
case on the
Joe,
right hand
a
side
digital
over
marketer.
here
He
we
works
can
as the
see, yeah, so on the right hand side we can see these ads are coming up. Sometimes below also some ads might come up. So these are called as discovery ads. So this comes up in YouTube. So these all ads which we'll be seeing over here. Say then over here also in leads also we have all the types of ads, different types of campaign. Then in website traffic also, see over here we do not have smart ads, so that we do not have. Then product and brand consideration, we have only display and video. In brand awareness also we have only display and video, and in app installation it is only apps. So this is the different types of ads that we have. So let us start with the first campaign. The first campaign is sales. So whenever I click on search sales campaign, then say whatever ads we are seeing over here, we need to select those ads over here. Say that what we want, whether we want search ads or display ads or shopping ads or video ads or smart ads, and say discovery ads. So these are the various different kinds of ads that we can get. So let us start with the search ads. So search ads is something which we are going to see over here is the ads which we just saw over here under text. Yeah, these ads. So we are first going to look at these ads, how to place these ads in Google. So over here I have selected the campaign as sales, and over here the campaign selected as search. Now I need to select that where do I want my what is my motto for doing this, what is my objective, and what is my goal over here. So whether my goal is a website visits or phone calls or store visits or app downloads, what is it that I want. So if I want that when people will click on this, say like when people will click on this, what should it do? Whether it should go to a particular website, or it should go download an app, or say they want the address where they can go and shop, or I mean just have the option of phone calls. So in that case over here phone calls would be phone numbers would be displayed. So like say let me just check out digital marketing institutes. So probably they might have some ads. Okay, they do not have over here, but say it would come up, no, not to worry about. So I mean, we will see how to place those things. So we have various options. So this is what we can do. So usually what we do is we will select website visits.
What
So
does store
website
visit
visit
mean?
is
Hello?
because say, yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Hello?
Yeah,
What does
yeah,
store visits
I can hear
include?
you. Store visit is the enter location on in the next step. So we need to enter. This is the
What does store
physical store
visits
in the
include?
city. It will say motivate people to come to your store physically, so that you can provide some online coupons which they can come and redeem in the store. You can tell them that okay, we are open till this, or we have some say special offers going on, so that people will visit this stores, physical stores at the location. So over here in the next step we can enter the location in the next step, so we will see that. So don't worry about that. So I mean, I can even enter this, I can select even multiple options, see, like website visits, I can select phone calls, and I can even select app download. So all the options also is possible in one ad. So different ads would come up over here. So over here I can select my website URL, and I will provide the URL, and I will provide the URL of the courses. So this is the URL that I will be adding over here. Okay, so this is the URL which has come up. So now phone call. So if I want a phone call, then I can select my country. So over here we have selected India, and then provide a company this phone number. Okay. Okay, so phone number is provided, then store visit is there, and then over here we can say that which Android app, so whether what platform it is. So I'll say Android, and then over here look up your app. So I can just search for my app over here, whichever app I want I can promote. So I will say that okay, fine, I want to promote my app over here. This is my app. So this app has come up over here. So now I can say continue, and then over here in the next step it will ask me that what are the things that I need to do. So exit, are you sure? Okay, yeah, leave. So over here I need to provide a campaign name. So campaign name is just for my reference, so that I will get to know that what exactly I am promoting. See, because if I have multiple ads, say like 5 to 10 ads, and if I just write that ad 1 or ad 2, then say I will not get to know that which ad is this and for what I am promoting, for if I am promoting an app or website or store visits, what I am promoting, I will not get to know. So for that reason I need to write. So over here first of all I am selecting, say like sales is there, so we have selected sales search ad, and then over here I can write that okay, fine, I am promoting say courses. So I will write anything like Helpopedia courses, or say digital marketing courses. I can select okay, I'll write Helpopedia courses or Helpopedia store. Yeah, so because I have provided the store URL, so that I can get to know that okay, fine, I am promoting a store over here. So this is what I will select. So whenever I see the list, then I'll get to know all those things. See over here, I'll just open it. Okay, it's not opening, so it will not come up like this. Let me just try on a new page. Hmm. Oops. Okay. Yeah, so campaigns. when I click on campaigns, I will see all the campaigns that are available. See over here, you can see YouTube videos, website traffic search Gartcopper, then website search 2019, website traffic, video leads, then video skippable, video outstream, video non-skippable, video leads, video cost per view, then video conversion. So like this, various ads are there, so various campaigns. So I'll get to know that okay fine, what this is all about, so I can just get to know. So these are the campaigns, so for that reason I need to use this. So that from this campaign name I will get to know that what is I am promoting. Then over here the next option is we need to select the network. So network is the search network that will come up, so that is this search network we need to select. And the second thing is display network, so our ad will also come up as a display ad on the websites wherever possible, so that we can expand the reach by showing ads to relevant customers as they browse sites, videos and apps across the internet. So our ads will come up on various websites or videos on YouTube, or say various apps that are available on Play Store. So that is also possible. So this is what we need to select. Say like we need to include Google search partners
Hello,
and
sir, I
include
just
Google
got
yeah,
disconnected. Can
hello.
you show again?
Okay, up till where did you
From
miss out?
after campaign name, I got disconnected.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. No problem. So say okay, fine. So first of all, we selected campaign, right? Campaign and say like okay, one second. I'll start again, no problem. So I'll just close this, discard. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we see over here we have various campaigns. These are the different campaign names, so that I get to know that what I am promoting right now. So I will click on new campaign and over here select a new campaign. Then I will select that what is the campaign that I want. So I'll select sales, that okay fine, I want sales. Then what is the campaign type that I want, so I'm selecting search campaign. So search campaign is something like I want these search ads to come up, so I'm using search campaign. Now over here I need to know that what I want to do is website visit, phone call, store visits or app download. So I'll select that okay fine, website visit I also want phone calls, and I want app downloads because store visit is out of question for me. So app download is also possible, so I can select Android app. So this is I will not select app download over here because I have a separate campaign over here. I can use a separate campaign over here that is for app promotion, so that we will see, we will promote our app with this app promotion ads. So right now I will just select website visits and phone calls, so that is more than enough, because see, people can visit the website over here and they can get all the information about these from the website itself. And if they have any questions, then over here we also have phone calls, so we will select phone calls also. So if people want to contact us with the help of phone, then they can call us. So I'll select the country India, and then I'll enter my phone number. Okay, so that these two things I have selected. And just in case for your say if you just want to know that how does a store visit work, so I'll select store visit also, and then I'll click on continue. So in the next step I need to provide a campaign name. So like over here we had seen various campaigns, so I get to know that which campaign is this, which campaign is this, that I need to know. So for my reference I'll use this, that we have selected a sales campaign, and the type is search, and what I am promoting is say my Helpopedia store. So now I will get to know that all the ads that are coming from this, we are promoting this particular page over here. So that is what I have selected. Then we have search networks and display networks. Search network is this is the ads over here, so this is by default, of course we have to keep, otherwise these ads will not come up. So I need to keep search network, that is include Google search partners also. So if I want to include Google search partners, I can use this, I can opt this. If I do not want, then I can uncheck this option. But in this say most advertisers include their ads on Google search partners. So in this case what happens, that my ads will come up over here also and on other websites also. So if I want to reach more audiences, then I can select this. But if you say that you want to save on money and I want exactly only when people will search in search engine on Google, at that time only my ad should come up over here. So that is what we can select. Then in that case we can uncheck this option and this option we can uncheck. That all things we can do. So but if you want to expand your network and say you want more people to see, then you need to keep this checked. So if you uncheck this, don't miss the opportunity to reach more people across 3 million sites and apps. So definitely, why would we want to miss out on those people? So this is what we have selected. Then we have show more options. So under more options we have the start dates and end dates. So when do we want to start our campaign? So I can select a start date over here. Say start date today is 30th, so I'll say on 31st October the ad should start. So I want to start my campaign from tomorrow. Then end date. So end date is something like, say I can either I if I don't want, I can select none. So in this what can happen that say if the campaign is doing good business, then I can continue the ads till I stop manually. But if I select an end date, then it will say stop on that particular date, whether the payment is available or not available, or whether it is doing good or it is not doing good. It is say I will be my ads will get stopped over there. So that is what we select over here. So usually say at least I select none, because say if the campaign is running good, then definitely say I want my ads to continue, so definitely I would select none. But say when will you select end date? Say suppose you are running a campaign and say you have an event and you are promoting your event, and you want more people to come to your event, and you want more people to come say know about that event. So say the if your event is starting on 5th of November, then you will want your ads to run only up till 4th of November. I mean over here, even if it is doing good, say you will not want to continue, because say after 5th of November the event will end on 5th November. So after that the ads doesn't make sense, so you will select 4th November. So that is how you select, with you decide that if you want a end date depending on what is the type of ad that you are putting and for what reason you are putting the ad. That is what we are selecting over here. So in that case we can select this option. Then next thing is say over here is campaign URL options. So over here this is the tracking template of the this campaign URLs. So this is what will be, which we never use, because we get the reports only for a particular website. So I mean if you are running hundreds of ads, then you need to know that from where the traffic is coming. Say like from Google, you got to know that the traffic is coming from paid search and from display advertising we saw last time. So that information we are already getting, so we do not need to put this. So usually corporates and say only the people who are running a particular campaign and who are not using Google Analytics, they will use this campaign URL options. Then they over here they can provide the tracking template, and over here they can provide the URL suffix, and over here some custom parameters. So in that case, when say the URL which will be seen in Google Analytics would look something like this. Over here the domain name, and then over here it will provide some prefixes and suffixes. So that is something like say medium is say source is say website, and it is search, and campaign is search. So we will get to know that okay fine, the we are promoting this traffic, this people this all people have come from search ads that we had put. So this is not required, because any which ways we have only one website which we are promoting. So in Google Analytics we get all the reports, so we don't need to worry about this. So this is what is tracking templates. Then the next thing is dynamic search ads. Get automated search targeting and customize ad headline based on your website. see if I select this and I enter my domain name over here, then what happens that I will not get the option over here to create the ads. It will automatically take the content from my website, but in that case say I will not have control that what content I want to put, if I'm promoting a particular course or a store or say various products, then I will not have any choice. It will automatically think whatever is right it will take up. So I will never use this dynamic search ads unless and until you are providing a URL of a landing page of your website, that okay, you want content to be picked up only from this page, and all the content which is there, that can be picked up and placed in the ad automatically. So I will not use this dynamic search ads. Then over here, ad schedule. So ad schedule is I can schedule my ads, say on which days and from what time to what time I want my ads. Usually say this is just in case if you want to save money, or you have a particular business wherein say you have timings of the business, then only. Otherwise the ads will run 24 hours a day. Or say if you are just targeting a local area, say like only a particular city, or say only say a particular city like Mumbai, then in that case you can provide that okay fine, you are doing business only from this, you want to show your ads only from this time to this time. And say if you are having off on Saturday Sunday, then you want to save on money, and you don't want your ads to be shown on Sunday or say Saturday. Say over here you can select manually that okay fine, Monday to Friday I want to show my ad say from morning say 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock to say I want till say 11:30, or say maybe up till 21:30, or say 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock in the night. Then maybe on I want it on say Saturday and Sunday, say maybe we are working half day, say then in that case I want my ad to come up say from 7 o'clock to say say okay, so in this case maybe I want to put it up till 5 o'clock. So I mean this is 15, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Okay, 5 o'clock is 17. Yeah, so I want to put it up till 5 o'clock, then I can use this type of ad. But usually we don't use this because say on in the other time, say if everything is online, then your ad can run up 24 hours. Or else say from morning, say if you want to save time, that save money, wherein say you don't want people to see the ad in the night time, because there would definitely be very less people, unless and until say you have global audiences, people from US, UK, Europe, or any other countries where there is daytime when we have nighttime. So in that case you can select global options. But say if your business is only domestic, say in a particular city or only India, then in that case you can say that okay fine, that I want to run my ads maximum up till say 23, or say 23:15, or yeah 23:45. So maybe up till 12 o'clock in the night I want my ad, say from morning 7 o'clock to say night 12 o'clock I want my ad, then that is fine. So that is okay, then your ad will come up. See otherwise what will happen, that you will lose money. See if you are putting up search ads, then it's okay, but in display, if you are selecting display ads, then your see display is counted on impressions, and if nobody is seeing the impressions in the night time, then what is the use of those impressions? You will lose on money. So the best option is that you can provide a time that okay fine, on all these dates I want this. So right now I'll just close this, and I want all days and 24 hours from 00 to 00 I want my ads to run. So that is what I'm selecting, and over here I want what is the location, targeting and audiences. So over here, whether I want my ads in all countries and territories, or only India, or I want to enter a particular location. So now over here I can provide a location. So say for physical say businesses where people need to travel, say suppose I'll give you my example. that say I am located in Kharghar, and say if my institute in Kharghar, and say I want admissions for digital marketing, and I am putting up ad in Navi Mumbai, so that I will get to know that people can come to my place. So in that case, what I can do is I can enter over here only Navi Mumbai. See over here, you can see Navi Mumbai is there. So then people from Navi Mumbai can come up. If I'm doing online lectures like right now, then I can select anything. I can select Mumbai also. So this is also possible, Mumbai also, or I can select Pune. So Pune is also possible, or say like I can select a full state. Then I can select that. Okay, fine. Say so Gujarat, India, state. Okay, so I have cities, I have state, and I want the whole country, say Australia. So I can use that also. So we have a whole country, we have a whole state, and particular cities. So combination of all these things are possible. So I can run my ad wherever I want, and whichever locations I want, I can place my ads. So over here I can enter the locations and select that. Now I have a advanced search. Now when I click on advanced search, over here a map will come up, and now I can select the radius. Previously we were selecting locations, now I will select radius. Now over here, what do I need to type? I need to type the name and address of my business, which is registered with Google My Business. See, in Google My Business we had registered our address, and our business was coming up in the map. So now what I can select is, say I can select, see over here in the list, see my Helpopedia EduTech is coming. So I can select over here because it is registered in the map. And now if I want people, how much from how much radius I want people from my location, so I'll select kilometers, and I will say that maximum people would travel approximately 8 to 10 kilometers to the institute. I mean, even that is far, but say I want people to my ads to be seen 10 kilometers from my radius. So this is my radius. So over here I'm located, and I'll click on save. So this is the radius where my ads would be seen, so around my location. So this is where people can come, all the students can come physically to the institute. So if people are searching for digital marketing institutes near me, then my ad will come up. So because my ad is within the reach of these people, so this is what I can do. So this is one of the best thing that we can do. So if I want this, then I can use this. But since right now we are doing it online, so I can enter cities like, say I can enter the whole state, I mean that is, or even I can enter the whole country, that is also possible. But say if I want to promote in whole India, then the budget required would be very very large. So for that reason, right now I will just select Mumbai. So Mumbai is there. Yeah, okay. Mumbai, where is Mumbai? Maharashtra state. Yeah, okay. What happened to Mumbai? Hmm. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Where is Mumbai, Maharashtra? Okay. Mumbai, Maharashtra is not coming. Just now it was there. Okay, I'll just select again. Mumbai, what happened to Mumbai? Maharashtra, Maharashtra. Okay, so Maharashtra is coming. India is coming. Maharashtra, India is coming. Okay, Mumbai. Just now it was there. Okay, no problem. I mean, it will come up. So no problem. So I'm selecting Navi Mumbai. Then let me select let me see. Yeah, so now it is coming Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, so like this I want, say right now I want to target these two places. So Mumbai and Navi Mumbai I want to target. So that is what I want. And over here if I want, I can even say put up a pin code. Say like if I want to say I don't want to target in these locations, so I can just put up a pin code, say like 400 703. So here my ad will be displayed only in this pin code. So this pin code is of Vashi, Navi Mumbai, so my ad will be displayed only in Vashi. So if I put my pin code 410210, then over here, okay, 410210, wow, it's not there, so no problem. So 400 018. So here we can see like this we can target, and we will get to know that how many people are there in that location where our approximate ad would reach. So this is on the right hand side, we can see all those things also. So whenever we search for the, say like we search for Mumbai, so here in Mumbai also we can see how many people are there. So approximately how much how many up till how many people our ads would reach, so this is the figures on the right hand side. So accordingly we can select our location, so that is possible. So this is about the target location where I want. And location options, so over here I have people in or who show interest in your targeted location, that is recommended. So over here what I want is, say people who are living in this location, that is people in or who show interest in your targeted location. So people who are living in this location, then I can use this. So see, people are traveling from other cities, say like there might be various people who are traveling from other cities to Mumbai, they might be temporarily coming to Mumbai. So I don't want my ad to show them, because their visit is just temporary for few days or few weeks or few months, but they might not join the digital marketing course. So it would be waste of money and time using those locations. So for that reason I will not select that target audience. I want only the people who are living in that location. So I will select people in or who show interest in your target location. So next option is people in or regularly in your location, targeted location. So regularly in your targeted locations means, say like people might be visiting from Pune, or say nearby cities people might be coming up. So then if I want other people also, then I can select this option. And over here people searching for your targeted location, so these people might not be from Mumbai, they can be from Pune, Bangalore, say Delhi, Jaipur, anywhere they can be. So if they are searching for, say like digital marketing institutes, then say in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai or wherever, then in that case our ad will come up. So I want people to join the digital marketing course over here, so I'll select this. But since it is online, it doesn't make sense we can select any of the options, but this is the best option, so we will get larger audience depending on the location that we have selected. So this is what we have. And exclude people in your excluded location. So whatever we have excluded over here, whatever we have not included, all those people will be excluded. So that is what is it. So that is recommended and recommended. So whatever is recommended by Google, we should select that option, so that would work better. Now select the language of your customers. So language of your customers means it can be any language, say like English, or say which language do people say speak. So I mean, if I just select English, then I would be limiting on my target audience. So what I will do is I will click on this cross button and I will make it all languages. So anybody speaking any language can do digital marketing, so I find it's fine. So all the languages I want, so I will not write any language, I'll just select all languages. That is what it is. And now it's time to select my audience over here. So this is the audience manager. So say in Google Analytics we had learned various types of say audiences, like say affinity marketing, marketing, then other marketing audiences we had. So those audiences we can select from here. Say like over here we have lots of audiences I can search from. Say like people business education or advertising and marketing services. So wherever I keep my mouse, I will get to know that how many impressions I can get weekly. So here it's 10 billion to 1 trillion impressions I can get, based on India, all languages and all types. This is what I have. So this is the overall total people available. So this is from India. So I have selected Mumbai. So this is what is the estimated. So I can select business education, then I can select social media enthusiastic, or I can select education, or maybe I can select something else, say like technology education. I can select it. So something related to education. See, SEO and SEM services. So this is services. This is not education. So I don't want these all things. Or else if I want, I can just search over here. Say like digital marketing. So this is what I can select, say digital marketing. Then over here everything related to digital marketing would come up, but these are all the services. So I don't want all the services. I want only the uh, education related things. So business education, so digital marketing can come under business education also. And say social media enthusiastic I've selected because say the people who are interested in social media, they would definitely like to learn more about social media by joining this course. So they will know everything about social media, and they would learn everything from social media. So that is what we have. And education is a generalized category that we have selected, so that we can get all the people who show interest in education. So that is what we have selected. So depending on what type of people we want, we can select say like business services, business technology, then education, jobs. So here we have various categories that are available. See, I can select mobile enthusiastic because we have mobile marketing also. So that all things we can select over here. So I mean there are various options. Then say I can select say one more option I just got to know over here is, see, current college going students. See, if I select current college going students, so college going students would be interested in doing digital marketing, so that I can use. Then advanced degree I can use. Then all visitors of my Google Analytics, so that I can use. So all the people who have already visited my website, so I can send my ad to those people. But I mean that is just 4 to 48. So I mean this week it is just 4 to 48. So I mean it's okay if I want. But more audience means more money would be incurred. So that is what. So depending on our requirement, I can use all these things. So whatever I've selected, those all things over here it has come up. 7 are selected, and these are the categories that we have selected. Say from affinity audience, in market audiences, we have selected. So now if this is what we have selected from the ready-made categories available over here, and if I want, I can even browse. So browse is something wherein I can reach my audience in depth. Say first of all there are few questions like who they are. So if you want to say, if you want your ads to be seen from the people who they are, then you can select this options. Then you want to show your ads to a particular interest and habits, then you can select this option. So I mean there would be various options, other categories over here also. When I click over here, then what they are actively researching or planning. So maybe you want to show your ads to the people who are actively researching or planning. Then they might be researching on Google or somewhere else. Then how they have interacted with your business. So interacted with your business could be anything, that they might have visited our website, or they might have signed up for a newsletter, or signed up as an affiliate. So that is what how they have interacted with your businesses. So they might have visited our websites and they have not purchased any product. So they might have visited a particular page, say like store page on our website, but they did not buy anything. So if I want, then I can select all those people, so my ads will go to those people. See, because first of all I do not know who they are, but over here Google knows everything. See over here, those ads are called as remarketing and similar audience, that I can select. And then combined audiences, I can select your audiences combination. So let me select who they are. So I'll just click over here, then I'll get, see whether they are parental status, whether they are parents. If they are parents, then parents of infants, say from 0 to 1, then toddlers 1 to 3 years of age, then parents of preschoolers 4 to 5 years, then parents of grade schoolers, say like 6 to 12, or parents of teens, so that is from 13 to 17 years. Say like if say one of the companies selling baby products, say for say toddlers or say infants, then in that case people can select, so those companies can select these two options. So then the ads will go only to these people and nobody else. So that is what it will come up. So initially we have selected Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, so all the parents between who are having kids between 0 and 1 year and 1 to 3 years, our ad will go only to those parents, only to those people it will go. So like this I can select. So this is parental status. Then over here martial status, so whether they are single or in relationship or married. So this is, so we can select any of the options. Then education, so what education they are into. So say, okay, I'll just close this. Yeah, so education, current college going students we have already selected, so that will come up over here. And then home ownership status, see this is good for builders. Say whether they can put up an ad for homeowners, say I mean the people who are staying on rent over here, see renters. So if a builder will select and say ad for renters, then in that case it will go to all the people who are staying on rent and who are researching to buy a new house. So that option is selected over here. So I mean I can select that kind of people also. So depending on your requirement you can select what type of people you want. So this is the category who they are. So these are the people, say like who they are say like parental status or martial status or education or something like that. Then the next thing is what is their interest and hobbies are. So that is like say banking and finance, beauty and wellness, food and drinking, dining, then home and gardening, lifestyle and hobbies, media, entertainment, news and politics. So like this we have various categories. And then we have subcategories into it, say like under shoppers we have bargain hunters, luxury shoppers, shopaholics, value shoppers, something like this. Then lifestyle and hobbies, arts, theater, business professionals, family focused, fashionist. So like this we have various categories and subcategories over here, so we can select any of the things depending on what category and subcategory that we have selected. So see over here technology, if I select technology, then I just want to know that what are the people. See over here we have already selected mobile enthusiastic and say uh, the social media enthusiastic and mobile enthusiastic we have already selected. So like this we can select. Then from travel we can select, if I want travel, what are the people, say like business travels, so and travel buffs, so people who are regularly traveling. So if a travel agency is there, then they can select that option, so that option is available. So like this we can select depending on what categories where we want to target. So this is what is their interest and habits. Then we have what they are actively researching and planning. Then over here we have various options available, say like apparels, arts and crafts, auto, vehicles, baby and children products, beauty and personal care. So like this we have various things over here, so we can select any of these. And then everywhere we have categories and subcategories, so you can promote your content to those kind of people. So you will select the right kind of people. You can drill down your audience from the categories to subcategories. That is what we can use, say like seasonal shopping. So like this I mean we can select what are the options. Then people who are into software, so whether it is accounting software or antivirus software or audio and music software. So like this we can select various options.
So this option is available, so that is actively researching. Then we have how they have interacted with your business. So combined stats, I can select that AdWords optimized list. So AdWords optimized list, I mean it is just 4 to 48 people, so I mean it doesn't make sense. Then website visitors, so all website visitors I can select, so that option is also available. And all app users, so I mean file lists can't be shown due to eligibility issues. Okay, so that's fine. So here I can just select all users, or all users of this app, all users of this app. I mean there are various apps available, so I can select any options, or I just want my ad to be shown only to the users of my apps who are using my apps, so I can select those audiences also. So that is what is this combined audiences. So like this I can drill down, or else the best option is I can select this over here. So this is what I can select. Now just let me try one more thing. Yes, see over here, if I type any particular URL, say like I can type a URL of my competitor, and then I can use what categories they are using. So I mean that option is also available if we want to use. Then over here targeting, say like audience targeting setting for this campaign. So first one is targeting, narrow the reach of your campaign to selected audience with option to adjust the bids. So I mean if you select this, then you will be narrowing the reach. So I mean if you are just looking for a special kind of people who only to a particular niche, or say a particular category of the people, where only these kind of people might purchase the product, you want to drill down deep and deep and deep into it, then you can select targeting option. Otherwise observation is good, that is recommended by Google. So here you are not narrowing your audience and not narrowing the reach of your campaigns, so your campaign will be reached to the more people. So that is option is available. Now the most important thing over here is enter the average budget you want to spend each day. So over here I have daily budget, say how much amount I want to spend every day. So I might say that okay fine, I want to spend 500 rupees every day. So I can, so minimum amount can be anything. I mean I can just even write say 100 rupees per day, or say 500 rupees, or 5000, or 5 lakh rupees, or 50,000, whatever I want I can write over here. So then I can use this. And if I click on from apply from shared library, then it will say the budget will be shared. Say if the all ads are of same type, then I can use this. So then a common budget will be applied to this ad, which other ads are already using, but I don't want, because some ads might require more money, some ads might require less money. So I will put a manual figure for this ad. So I'll say that okay fine, right now I have a budget of 500 rupees per day, so I can use this. Now the next option is bidding, say that is where, what do you want to focus on? You want to focus on conversions, or you want a conversion value, or other optimization options, or you want to focus on clicks or impression share. So impression share is the percentage of impressions of your ads. So I mean say the total number of impressions that will be coming over here. So impression is something like when I will search for digital marketing courses or institutes, and the ads will come up over here. Then in that case say I would not be charged, say I mean say then in that case whether people click on the ads or they do not click on the ads, I will be charged for every 1000 impressions. So that is called as this impression share. And clicks is something when people will click on these ads. So whenever there are ads over here, and we want to know that okay how many people are clicking on our ad, or say I want my ad I want to spend money only when somebody clicks on my ads. So that at that point of time I can select this option as clicks. And other optimization options, over here we do not have any information about this other optimization options. I mean, say if you select this, then some other optimization options might come up, but this is grayed out. So I mean, this is the heading of these two. So over here, first one is recommended and the second one is other optimization options, and under other optimization options is clicks and impression share, right? Sorry. Yeah, so I will always select conversion. So conversion is something where people will convert. So people might come up, say after clicking on the ad, people will come up on the website and they want to convert as a subscriber or a visitor, or they might be purchasing something from the website because I have provided the store. So they might want to purchase something from here. So that I can use conversions. So that is called as conversion from visitor to customer. That is called as conversion. Now I want to, if I've added a new product, then I can select conversion value. So in that conversion value, what happens is that I want to know that how many people have purchased the product worth of 58,500 rupees. So then I can select that option, that is conversion value. What is the conversion value that I want to know? Then in that case I can track a particular product, how much sales are happening. So usually if I select conversion, everything is calculated. So I'll select conversions, and this campaign will use maximize conversion bid strategy to help you get the most conversions for your budget. So this is what I can select. Then the next option over here is or select bid strategy directly, which is not recommended by Google. So over here if I select this, then I need to manually enter all the things said, like over here that what is the other things that I want to do. So over here I can select maximize conversion, or say I want target cost per action, so that is cost per acquisition that people might take, or say target return on ad spend. So return on ad spend is, say like if I'm spending 500 rupees per day, then how much amount I should get. So if I'm not getting that amount, then my ad would stop. So that is the return on ad spends. Then say maximize clicks. So Google will provide ads only to the people where they feel that there would say maximum amount of clicks would happen, so that over there the ads would be shown. Then maximize conversion is say where maximum conversion is going to happen, say like mm, and say like how will Google get to know all these things, that where the maximum clicks will happen or maximum is maximized conversions will happen. See, it again is related to the cookies of the system. Say Google already knows your browsing history, that what you are actively researching. So right now if somebody is searching for digital marketing courses, and Google will know that okay fine, these are the 1,000 people who are searching for digital marketing courses. So these ads will be shown to them so that I can get maximized conversion. So out of those 1,000 people, whoever are interested, they would join the website and they would take up the courses. So that is what is maximize conversion. So Google will automatically optimize. So that is the reason it is everywhere it is said that you should use the recommended options. So use the standard strategy. So
I
that is
had a
what we are
question.
using over
I
here.
had a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Now you see, if Google catches through the cookies and everything, the audience.
Yeah,
But if
right.
somebody who clears browsing history or cookies, then how does the ads reach to them?
That browsing history is just deleted from the system, not from the Google servers. Google knows each and everything. See, because everything is registered already in the Google's database. I mean, you cannot clear the Google database search history. It is just cleared from your system. Google knows all your browsing history, because your client ID, which we had seen in Google Analytics, that every device has a unique client ID. So that client ID is already registered with Google, and it knows that this is the Gmail address associated with this client ID, and they are using Chrome. It's a Windows desktop or laptop, and they are browsing all these websites. So it's not just say
people clearing of the cookies. So it also depends on the browsing history. So people might clear out anything, but how will they delete everything from the cookies or say browsing history that is registered in Google's database? That cannot be deleted. I mean, that is their property, because we are using their browser, Chrome browser. So Chrome is from Google, and we are using say Google, that is their things. We are using Google ads, that is again from Google. So everything we are using from Google. So I mean, it's even if that one person say, if for 1 second if we believe that a person will delete the history and cookies, so fine, okay, if we say that okay, that person is not considered. But then say how many people would be searching for say digital marketing courses across Mumbai and Navi Mumbai? I mean, that's say that would be a huge number of people searching in say in Mumbai or Navi Mumbai. So if you want to know that how many people are searching, then I mean the best option is by using Google Keyword Planner. So I can just go over here in Google Campaigns and I go to settings and I can just search for yeah, under tools I can just search for this keyword planner, and I can just search for how many people are searching for this particular keyword. So then I will get to know that okay fine, this is what I have, that okay fine, uh, digital marketing courses. So I'm searching for this particular keyword and I'll get to know that okay fine, these are the people, say like 100,000 people are searching. So that is 1 lakh people searching for digital marketing courses, and the competition is medium. So that is not required right now, but this is what we have. So 1 lakh people are searching. Now from those 1 lakh people, how many people are there in Mumbai? So and Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, that is our targeted audience. So maybe there could be say, even if I just consider only 1000 people are there from Mumbai, then from 1000 people who are searching on the internet, they are researching, they are browsing various institute websites. So that history is already there, and now say we have put up a ad for promoting our digital marketing course. So then our ads will be shown to those people. So forget about the people who are clearing their browsers histories and cookies. There would be thousands of people or say lakhs of people who even do not know that okay, we should clear our browsing history and cookies, so that and temp files, so that we can make our systems faster. People might not even know that. So there are many people I have personally seen in my life that people's PCs and laptops work very slow, and then I have told them that you need to delete the temporary internet files, browsing history, cookies, temp files, and all those things. So yes, then we don't need to worry about it. See, that is Google's lookout. See, if we are paying some amount, then definitely they also have a very high-end research team, and the logics that is that has programmed this. So this is nothing manually, everything is automatic depending on all the algorithms set by Google. So our ads would definitely go to those people. So we don't need to worry about it, even if people are say deleting their histories and cookies. So that is the option that we have. And then over here we have manual. So if I want to select a manual cost per click, that okay fine, say over here in Google Keyword Planner, you can see over here top of the bid page over here, this is the 25.19 and say 92.41. So this is the say the average bid that a person will be spending when a person will click on this ad over here. Say whenever we get some ads over here, at that time say a person will be paying that much amount. Say if I click on this and they are using, if they have used digital marketing as their digital marketing course, and they are over here, say these people have used digital marketing course. So if people are searching for digital marketing course, and now if I am clicking on this, then their account will get deducted with 25.19 rupees directly. So this is the bid. And say if I want to say keep my ad always on the top, say like over here I am seeing that say over here this is the first ad. So if I want my ad always to be on the top of all other ads, then I need to pay 92 rupees 41 paisa per click, whether people will buy or not. Say if people will click on this ad, then say 92 rupees will get deducted from my account. So that is what we can see over here. That is top of the bid, that is the high range, and the low range is say approximately 25.19. this is what we have. So that is the thing that I can select manually. So now if I say that manually how much amount I want to put, then in the next place I will be adding that. So that, okay, fine, optimize for value or optimize for conversion. So over here I will be saying that, okay, if the cost per click should be 2 rupees or 3 rupees, but Google might say that the minimum cost that you want to say put say is 4 rupees, or say 4.5 or 4.75, whatever is the rate going on at that point of time. I need to add that rate. Usually I can put even 1 rupee or 2 rupee also. Say per click I want to pay 1 rupee or 2 rupees, so even that is fine. So if but if I'm putting lower than the rate which is going on, then I need to, then Google will tell that you need to put a minimum of this much, your bid is too low. So that error I will get. So to save all the problems that selecting the right kind of conversions and everything, then in that case I can select the back to previous bidding options, that is conversions, where everything is calculated and everything is done automatically, and my website is optimized for maximize conversion because I have implemented the code. Say Google Analytic code is already installed on my this website. So because all the codes are used sharing the same Google publisher account, so I mean we don't need to we don't have a problem with that. So this is, everything is done automatically, but if I select those from the drop down list, then I mean that's a big problem. If something goes wrong, then I'll be losing a lot of money. So that is bidding. So bidding, we need to take a lot of care depending on see if, especially if we are doing it for somebody else. Say maybe it could be say like people say if it is an agency and they are doing it for their clients, then in that case they need to take very much care, and they should be careful so that they don't lose clients money. So first of all they should know that at what time what bidding I should be using. So this is what it is. Then show more settings. So under more settings, say over here account level settings. So over here use account level include in conversion settings. So whatever accounts I have selected over here, I have selected conversion, so this account level include in conversion. So at the account level, whatever parameters I have set on my website and whatever parameters I have set, that parameters will be used. So over here select which conversion are included in conversions column for this campaign and use for smart bidding. Over here if I select this choose conversion action for this campaign, then I need to select the conversion action manually. So even this is the best option because I have already added various conversions. So I can select the conversion, that what type of conversion I want, whether I want calls from the smart ads or I want DM purchase, that is digital marketing purchase from the website, or say install Helpopedia app from Google Play Store, or I want a lead generation from my website, or I say I want phone leads, so that is phone call from the ads, or say when people will purchase. So different types of conversion I have added. But if I select over here say any of them, then I only those things will be calculated. But if I just select account level, so account level is all the conversion that you can see over here. So this is all account level conversions that we have added. So this will all will be tracked over here. So this is what we'll be using. Then over here ad rotation. So how will your ads be rotated? So here it is say optimize prefer best performing ads. So in this what happens that we will be creating say few headlines, few descriptions, then URL will be adding, then short description will be adding. So whatever content will be adding, it will shuffle the headlines and descriptions, and then it will test automatically that depending on the current target audiences who are visiting from a particular location, this ad will work the best. Because people might search, somebody might search for digital marketing institute, or somebody might search for digital marketing course or something else. So depending on what people are searching, Google will show our ads automatically. So from one ad they will create multiple ads, and it will show the best performing ad. And if you don't want to optimize the ad and you want to rotate the ads indefinitely, then your ads will run 24/7, and it will show all the ads over here. But in that case you will lose a lot of amount, because say if you are running 5 ads, then your amount will get deducted for 5 ads which are running. But over here it will show only, it will save our money, and it will show only which are the optimized in the current scenario. That is what it is. Then these two are not supported, so we do not need to worry about this. Only these two are there. So depending on the type of campaign that we have selected, some of the options will be available, and some of the options might change with different to the campaigns and the campaign
Set a
type that we
target
have
cost
selected.
per
Maybe in the
action.
next
What is set a
sorry.
target cost per action?
Yes, set a target cost per action is, say, like if I select over here, then in that case, see, I might add that I want to add 2 rupees per conversion. So then in that case only 2 rupees. If the bid is say more than 2 rupees, then say my ad will not be displayed. Say if the bid is lower than 2 rupees, then that 1 rupee or 1.50 whatever is there, that much amount will get deducted. But if the bid is more than 2 rupees, then my ad will not be shown up, because I have selected that cost per acquisition or cost per action is just 2 rupees. That is the maximum amount I want to spend. My amount should not go more than 2 rupees per action.
Per
So in
action
that case,
as in
that
per
is what I
click?
want. But yeah, see over here we are selecting sales ad. So sales ad is when people will click on your ad and come. So over here when people will click on this particular link, then uh, only the maximum amount that should get deducted from your account is 2
Okay.
rupees. That is what we are talking about, when, because these are pay per click ads. When we say pay per click ads, that is what is over here, pay per click. But if I do not select this option over here, then Google will automatically keep our ad running, and it will adjust the bid automatically. Now when we say that it will adjust the bid automatically, then yes, of course, uh, it can be say 50 rupees, it can be 100 rupees, it can be 500 rupees, it can be 600 rupees per click, whatever it is, we have to pay that amount. That much amount will get deducted from our account. So to, if you want to save on the amount, then you can say that what is the target cost per action. Say like in that case you can say that you don't want your cost per action be more than 50 rupees. So if it is up till 50 rupees is fine. If it is going more than 50 rupees, then you can stop the ad. Then I can use this. So this is the maximum cost per ad. So I mean I can keep it even 10 rupees. So that is also fine. Then I can save more money on it. So that is fine. So that is what we are using. Then over here ad rotation, we were at ad rotation, so I will always select optimize. So it will show ads that are expected to get more clicks or conversions, and that is recommended for most advertisers. So this is what we should use. Then over here comes the real thing, which we need to add. See over here, site link extensions. Say if I select this, then whenever we see some ads over here, okay, let me just check again. Okay, it is not coming up over here. Say digital marketing courses, I'll select digital marketing course. Okay, over here also it is, see over here you can see this one link, second link, third link, fourth link and fifth link. So here we have various these are called as site links. So I can provide the site links of my website on this ad also. So over here I can select that. If I select get best offers, then that get best offers will be displayed over here, like it is saying that make an inquiry. So instead of that I have written get best offers, so people will be say motivated, or say they will be attracted to this, and they can say that okay fine, let's click on this get best offers. And over here this is the description of it. Then over here I have written visit website. Then over here I will, the first one would be get best offers and second one would be visit website. So like this, if I want to add multiple site links, then I can add those site links. So if I select this, then how will it look? So we can even preview the ad. So see below, see like this would be our ad, and over here it would be displayed that get best offers. So like this it will come up. Then if I select this visit website, then it will come up like this. See over here get best offers visit website, so it will come up in one line, like we are seeing over here. So it will be displayed like that. So like this it will be shown everywhere. And if you want to add a new site link, you can add a new site link by clicking on this, and then over here you can select the text that you want. The text is like over here whatever is written, so you can select that. So I can select that visit our store. Then over here description, I mean you can write a description. uh,
This is
uh,
important site link.
let me just open my, yes of course, I mean that is an additional space. See, we are getting an additional space to add our content, so why should we leave though that space? Maybe by reading this ad, see over here, say if just for 1 second if we imagine that there is no site links over here, now just by reading this ad, I say maybe I'm not interested, but say I can click on make an this link will, at least I'll think that okay fine, let me make an inquiry. But the link was over here, so I thought about clicking on this link and think about making an inquiry with this institute. Or they might have some blogs, so I might want to visit their website and see what blogs they have, or say visit what other people's, what reviews they have received. So I would like to visit the view testimonials, or maybe I want to study their case studies, or I want to know more about this company. So maybe different people might be attracted to click on different links, so why should we leave this space? So that is really very helpful. So maybe people might not be interested just to read this and click on this, but at least if you have this, so maybe of course people will click on this, but this will be an additional help, supporting help to motivate them to click on the ads and come to our website. So for that reason I can use this description visit our store, and I can write okay, get best offers mm, for our digital marketing courses. So here we have only up till 25, so I mean this has exceeded up till only 35 is there. So get best offers, so I can just write okay get best offers. Then over here description line, if we want we can use get best offers, or enroll this, or else I can just write say 15% discount, 15% festive discount on all courses. Okay, so like this I can provide this information, and then final URL I can provide, so which URL I want to provide. So when people will click on that, then I can provide this, so this is the store URL, so I can provide this. So when people will click on that link, on that site link, then they will land on this page. So if I want to create more, I can provide site link 2, site link 3, site link 4, like that I want, and then I can provide save button. So over here I have advanced options. So if I want device preference, if I just want to select mobile, then it would even go to mobile also. So then start date and end date, say, then I can select this, but this is not what I want to select, because I just want those links to come up on my ad. So that's it. Now over here this is has come up over here. Get best offers, visit our store is was there. Yeah, this is what we created. Visit our store, so get best offers with 15% festive discount on all courses. So that is what we can select. So now I want to select that which are the site links that I want to place on our website. So on our ad, I mean, so I can select, okay, I can select all the all the things. So that this is what I want. Or else say maybe we want to put some other links also. So I can even say that, okay, we can put a blog, view our blogs like the other these people said blog center. So I can even create that also. So create a new site link. uh, Read digital marketing blogs. Okay, so that has exceeded, so I can try, I can just click on, I can remove read digital marketing blogs, and then I can write mm, get the best ins SIGH insights on digital marketing. Okay, get the best insights. mm, okay, okay, insights on digital marketing. So that is what I can use. And then finally the blog URL. So this is the blog URL. I can just copy this URL and paste it over here. Final URL. So like this I can put this. So if I think that if I want to put some other URL, any URL, then I can use that also. So maybe contact us also we can put, so people can at least even contact us. So that option is also available. So here people can contact, so name, email address, subject and message they can put. So that is what I can use. So yeah, I think I can use this. I think I have created a form also. mm, Inquiry form. Okay, this is not there, inquiry form. Okay, just let me check, because yesterday itself I had created one form. Mm, so all pages and course enquiry. Okay, so it is course enquiry. So this is course enquiry, where people can put their full name, email address, mobile number, and over here this interested in whatever courses that I have, so that, and then people can submit. So that is what I have selected. So now I can use this URL and I can create a second site link over here. Second site link would be uh, course enquiry description, uh, get best offers or something like that. I mean, you can just write mm, get more information uh, on various courses. Okay, on courses, on our courses. Okay, fine, that is what it is. And then over here final URL, that is course enquiry. So like this I can have. So this site links will come up over here, say like course inquiry and digital marketing blogs and the previous one that we have selected. So now I'll just click on save. So this save will come up, so this we can add. So once this is saved, what happened? Okay, description line 2 recommended. Okay, fine. So description line, okay, 2. Get more information on 15% festive discounts. Okay, and then I can click on save. So that is saved. So now I have say like 1 2 3 4 5. I have 5 of them. Course inquiry, I want digital marketing blogs, I want get best offers can be ignored. Okay, visit our store is what we want, and visit website, that is also we have. So I can use all these things. I've selected all these same things. Now this is call out extensions, that is say like call now, contact for best offers, get discounts. So like the previously site links, that these are for website. We had selected website visits also, we had selected phone calls also. So what it will be displayed over here, like call now also will be displayed. So whatever we have mentioned over here, select call now or contact for best offers or get discount coupons or get your seat reserved. So I can select whatever I want over here. Get your seat reserved, call now, call for best offers, and get discount coupons. So I can select all of them. So Google will adjust automatically in different ads. And then over here I have this phone number, so my phone number will directly get displayed on the top of the ad. That will come up. So because I have selected call extension, so this is how it will come. So I can preview this. So over here you can see call. So this phone logo will come up, and it will say call this number. So when people will directly click on this from the mobile device, it will directly make a call to me. So this is call extension. This is how the ads will come up. This is first preview, and second preview is it will come up over here. It can come up over here also. So that option is also available. So like this I want to use the site extensions also, and then location extensions. We were talking about the store visits, right? So this is the location extensions, where we can create a location extension. So if I do not have any location extensions, then I need to create a location extension. That is over here. Say request status, you can use curated locations right away, they are faster. Request okay, so link to my Google My Business. Over there I had added only my services location. So for that reason over here it is declined. But just let me select. Okay, 7 locations are there. Mumbai 3 and Pune 1. Okay, fine, no problem. So this is what I have. Or say request another Google My Business. So I mean, okay, that is the same email address. Okay, I can use this. Select my Google account. So this is what I have. And out of this 7 locations, Mumbai 3 locations. Yeah, Mumbai 3 locations that I want.
Can you click preview?
Okay, and then I can click on
Can you click preview? How will it look like?
sorry, yeah, preview. Okay, so over here it will look like this. See over here the address is provided. So here you can see this, and address will be provided, and even a phone call is there. So like this we can select this option. So that option is there. Request another Google My Business account. Okay, so that is what it is. Find my Google Business account. So if I want this Google My Business account, so yeah, countries, I can select this, enter a domain.
oops. Okay, yeah, so here we have this. Okay, so I can select this option, verify total. This is what Helpopedia, this is what, and over here 7 by 7. So I want to select this option, so I'll select this option. So this option is selected, so now I can click on preview, and over here it will, this is okay, so it does not show my address, so that is just for preview. Okay, so this is what it is. Or else this is something new, select curated location. So I mean, over here I can select whatever locations I want manually, so that is not what I want right now, so I'll just select my website only. Okay, so this is first location that is I want. So this location has come up, and then I can click on continue, and your request to use the location was sent to mm, well, when your request is approved. Okay, so just let me check my email. Request to use the location. Hmm. Okay, just checking my email. Just give me a moment. Hmm. Okay, I don't think I have received email from Google till now. Hmm. Let me just try again. It is holding HE Helpopedia. Okay. Okay. Hope it works. Okay, fine. This email address we'll take it up later. I mean, that is not important right now, but this is done. So I just need to click on the link which is given in my email. That is what. So once it is done, I will be allowed to use this. So it is done. Create a location, and then I can click on save and continue. So my campaign settings are done. So now I need to set up the ad group. So I will use the same name which I had used previously, that is sales search Helpopedia store. And then over here I need, if I now it's time that I need to paste all the keywords over here. So whatever keywords I want, when people will search for those keywords, at that point of time my ad will come up. So if other option is, I can just put the URL of the page. mm, okay, so that is store page. So I'll just copy this, and let me see if what happens. Okay, so now it is getting. So here you see all the
all the keywords from my page has the Google has taken up all the pages. See, diploma in digital marketing, social media marketing, best digital marketing courses, online digital marketing. So everything from my website, whatever it found, it took out. Okay, so I don't want this one, or else what I can do is digital marketing. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. So these are all the keywords. So when people will search for these keywords, my ad will be seen over here. Or else I can even search for the products or services. So I can, if I search for digital marketing and press enter, then over here it will come up like this. You can add any keywords over here. I can just say update keywords. So here it will products or services, digital marketing, yes, replace. So here it has come up with all the keywords. Yes, okay, so fine. Digital marketing courses, certification, diploma in digital marketing. Okay, so yes, everything is fine. So like this I can add all the keywords, because people need to search something on Google over here, and then my ad should come up. So that is what we are doing. So these are the keywords, and once the ad will run, I will get to know that which keywords are performing and which keywords are not performing. That I'll get to know. So now I will click on save and continue. So now I have to create my ad. So over here, in progress, pending. Okay, so over here you can see what are the things. So whatever ad I will create over here on the right hand side, automatically all the ad will be seen. How will my ad exactly look? See, already my site links have come up over here. See, visit our store, course inquiry, digital marketing blogs, and visit website. So this has already come up, and see, even my phone number has come up over here. So now when I enter headline 1 over here, then headline 1, whatever I enter over here, I will see the real-time ad, how it will look on Google. So now let me open my folder, training, then Google Ads content. Okay, yes, so yes, headline I have 30 characters, so I can use 30 characters over here. So maybe I can use okay, so let me try this masters in yeah. So this is headline 1, masters in, okay, so okay, this is exceeding with 1 character, masters in digital marketing. Then headline 2, headline 2 can be like excellent opportunity to kickstart your digital career. I don't think so this will also fit. No. 15% discount this festive. Okay, exceeding by 2 characters. Okay, 15% discount festive season. Okay. Avail festive season offer of 15. No, only avail festive season
or else okay, that space is extra. Okay, instead of avail, get 15% festive season offer. Okay, so this is 28. Okay, fine. So now you can see over here it is coming. And headline 3, 100% contactless training online. Online contactless training. That would help. I mean, this word might say this is in lockdown. People are using this word a lot, especially for e-commerce deliveries. People are using this contactless delivery as and all these things. So this is what so people will understand that okay, the training is going to happen online. So this is what it is. And then over here, if I want to add some path over here, say like example.com, then I can add store. So then over here automatically it will come up. So first of all I need to add my website URL. So this is the website URL. So my website URL has also come up, and then store. Over here I can add, if I want to add, I can add store. So over here this will come up like this, or else say like I can add anything, say like any keyword I can add, digital and marketing. Okay, so this is what, so I mean it will be displayed. So I mean these are just two example path which I can use over here. So if you want to know that the path fields are part of your display URL, the green text under your headline, and can be up to 15 characters each. So I mean you can just add extra keywords over here if you want. But there are people who are quite smart. They will not click on the ad, they will just copy this URL like this, and then they will copy this URL and enter in the browser, and then this page will not be found because we are just putting a keyword. So it's better we don't put these keywords over here. We don't have any path. I just want people to visit this. I can directly put the path over here, store, that's it. So over here I can use this, so it should be displayed over here. So, okay, so it is not getting displayed over here because the path, if I want, if I have a path on my website, then it should be displayed in the path. So then I can just write store, so then it will display over here store. So it is elpopedia.com/store. Okay, so it's okay. So now this URL is also done, and now I can add a 90 characters description. So this is, I can write excellent opportunity to kickstart your digital ad with various. Okay, so this is what I can use. Okay, this is exceeding by few. Okay, so excellent opportunity to kickstart your career with various modules. Excellent opportunity to kickstart your career in digital marketing. Then description 2. Okay, still it is exceeding by this, and many more.
So
Okay,
previously, when
6.
we were site link, when we were adding site link, at that time, it didn't show all this. Like
Yeah,
what was that? Like we were filling same kind of details for site links also, na? Description and all.
that that see, that was for creating the site links.
Now since we created those site links, our links are created. So you can see over here, visit site, visit website, digital marketing blogs, course inquiry, visit our store. So that form was say for creating the site links which will appear over here. Say that is what is going to appear in the ads. Say let me just show you if any ad is available. No, it's not there. Let me search again. Okay, it's not coming up over here, so just let me check with Firefox. Though that form was creating site links, and this is the actual ad that we are creating, which will come up in Google search engine, which we just saw. So both are different. See over here, let me show you, where is it? Yeah, see over here you can see these links are there. So those forms were there to create this link. So unless and until these links are not there, how will the site link come up in the ad? So now since we have created this, site links are have come up, but this is what we are filling the form wherein we are actually creating the ad. See over here you can see these ads. Where did it go? Not over here, on in Firefox. Yeah. Yeah, see over here you can see this is the ad that is there. Over here this is the ad. Over here this is the ad. So we are creating this ad. We are providing Google the content that what ad should be there on Google, what ad should come up over here. So that is what we are doing over here. That was just creating a site link, so that's fine. So okay, so now covering 200 modules. $97. Okay, 88. 200 plus modules, and now over here I have some space remaining, so I can use something else. 100%. Okay, this course is Masters in Digital Marketing, so that is 100%. No, it's 100. What happened? 100% career oriented. Okay, or else I can write career oriented. Okay, so it's fine. So this is my have come up. So add URLs, again we are not using that tracking templates. And then now I can click. So now you can see my ad is completed over here. So this is how my ad will come up, and it will show up to the people. See, call now, contact for best offers, get your seats reserved, that all things will come up over here. So like this, visit website, and all these things are coming up. So then I can click on save and continue. And now it's my ad is done. I just need to review everything, that okay, what are the things I need to review. My ad is going to start from 31st October to 4th of November. My location, target location is Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. I have selected all languages. Campaign budget is 500 rupees per day. Campaign goal is sales, and bid strategy is cost per action, that is manual cost per action, that is 10 rupees I have selected. Now this is my ad, and this is the ad group name, and these are the keywords that I have used. And now I can click on publish. So now my ads will go for a review. Once review is done, then my ad will get activated if I have balance in my account. So now, okay, so update your tax info, it's already updated. Enable two-step verification, dismiss, protect your account. Okay, that's fine. So now say I have published my ad, but say for that I need to add money to Google Planner. Google Ads. Unless and until I do not have money in my account, I cannot run my ads. So for that reason, what I need to do is Google Merchant Center, business data conversion attribution. Where did the payment option? Where is the payment option? I think they have removed it. Oh, okay. Settings and billing. Okay, yeah, over here access and security. So summary over here. So I can just click on summary. So let me see how much amount I have. It would be 0.00. Okay, yes, it is 0.00. So now what I need to do is I can see these are the previous transactions that I have done over here. So I can just view all the transactions, and now I can click on make payment, and you have various options like net banking, money transfer, Google Pay, add credit or debit card. I will never suggest you to add this because there is no option to remove it. So never add a credit or debit card. You can change the credit or debit card, but you cannot remove it, so don't use this because these all are very safe. Link Paytm wallet, okay, up till some extent even this is fine. So this is also very safe. Google Pay you can use, UPI payments you can use, so this everything is fine. Money transfer will take a lot of time, so net banking can be used. So my best choice is net banking. So I can select net banking, and then I can say that what is the amount that I want to upload, and then I can click on make payment, and then it will tell me what banks I want to select. See over here I will get all the options that what bank I want to select. Then I can select my bank, and then I can make the payment. It will take me to the net banking options. I need to log in, and then the payment will be credited and debited from my account. So that is what this payment is all about. So okay, yeah, so I can upload the payment over here like this. So our first ad is done. So that this is how we create. So now see, this ad creation took a lot of time because I was explaining each and every step on creation. Now for all other ads it would be the same
Okay,
thing.
and this
Now
was
I mean the
this
other
in
ads can be
sales.
done in
It
just
was
5
search
minutes
ad, right?
because now we,
Okay.
yeah, search ads. So I mean now if you want you can do sales display ads, sales shopping ads, sales video ads, sales smart ads. Like this you can do. I mean the internal options would be same. So if I have already done sales and search, then the same option will be available for all the other type of ads. The only difference over here is say in while creation of the ad we added the text content. Over here in display we need to add our creatives as well. That would be the only difference. Rest everything would be same. But yes, now if I select leads ad, then things would be different. And under leads also if I'm selecting search, then most of the things would be same. So here because I'm collecting leads, so here this is where you can generate customer leads with text or call ads that show your search results. So I mean over here when people will select this, they can fill up a form or they can go on our landing page on our website, and they can fill up all their details, and I will get all the information on what they were interested. I mean I will get their name, email address, mobile number, and say what courses they are interested in. So I can create the form manually, and I can see I can add whatever form I want to create. So Google provides that facility to create that form, and then when people will click on the ad, that form will come up, and then I can submit that form. So people do not need to type, because all the information will be generated, pre-populated in the I mean, if they are logged in from the mobile device, then it will be pre-populated, so that won't be a problem. So I mean, they can just select the option about the courses and everything. So that is it, the leads. See, that is the inquiry. So people who are interested, then say we have their email address and phone number, then we can directly call them and say that you had inquired on our ad on Google, and say you are interested in this particular course, so you can ask further questions and close the deal. So that is what this lead search is. So then over here, the only difference over here in search ads is the difference between the type of ads. The that is say search ads will be displayed over here in the this search engine, Google search engine. Then display ads will be displayed on various websites in terms of like the banners and displays and video ads that you saw on my website. Then shopping ads, I showed you the shopping ads on Google. Those ads will be shown. Then video ads, so that is all skippable ads and non-skippable ads, which you can see over here. That is what it is. So it is only the difference between the ads, and rest over here you can generate leads, you can get website traffic, and you can select brand awareness and app promotion. So we will be doing those ads also. So that will be doing it in the next session. So what you can do is you can try for this. Initially, when you go to Google Ads account, if you are logging in for the first time over here, you will get the option, I mean, to create an ad. Don't create an ad, you just need to search for the option expert mode at the bottom of the page, somewhere in on the page below the content. You will find it in the small letters, expert mode. So click on expert mode, and then you will reach at this place on the home page, which
I can
I
log
am.
in from my
So you
personal
will get
email
to
ID.
this page. So Google Ads can't complete your yeah, I mean, you from your Gmail account, I mean, that is fine. See, you see, no money will be deducted unless and until you manually upload it, so you don't need to worry about it. So that's fine. I mean, so for practice you can create even hundreds of ad over here. If I talk about the campaigns, then I mean, over here there are hundreds of campaigns which I have created, but actual campaigns which I have run would be very few. That would be for my personal use, for my business, for my course promotion, or for my website promotion, or for my mobile app promotion. I might have used it, but most of the campaigns over here are just for the training purpose, which I was training to students during the digital marketing course, like I'm training you right now on Google Ads. So I'm creating the ads over here itself. I do not have a separate account for
Okay.
creating Google Ads. So I mean, it's fine. But yes, now I'm planning to create a second account, because I don't want my main account to have so many campaigns, because sometimes it is say very uh, I mean, it's very difficult to find a particular campaign. So that is the reason. And once everything is performing, say on over here in overview on home page, you will get all the statistics about the clicks and impressions and how much cost it occurred and everything. That all options you will see, I think. mm, Something is taking time. The page you are trying to load doesn't exist. Wow, that's great.
So I have to log into the Google Ads and then go into the expert mode.
Yes, just 1 second. I'll just show you. Say, let me try to log in with another account so that you will know how to log in with that account. So, what are the options that you need to do? Mm, so, I'll go to Firefox and then, yeah, I'll just log out from here. Okay, so I'll go to ads.google.com. So here it will come, then I just need, so these are the steps that you need to follow. So you go to this URL, I'll provide this URL to you, copy, and yeah, over here I'll provide you this in chat. Okay, now I'll sign in with the Gmail account, so I'll try to use another account. Okay, school buddies, then click on this. Okay, it seems I've logged in with this account previously. Okay, so I need to, so you will find some options for export mode. Oh, okay. Oops. Okay, today it's taking some time. Okay, so here also I have logged in with logged in previously. Your account isn't active. Your ads aren't running because your account has been cancelled. Okay. Okay, so previously I might have deactivated the account. No problem. Okay, so this account is also used.
I will try doing that. If I have any issues, I can message you. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be the best option because I think I might have logged in with most of the accounts. So you just try and see. You will just find
Okay.
some export mode over there. You just need to click on that. Just fill up the form. If it asks some details, you just need to fill up those details, uh, and then you will find export mode at the bottom somewhere. You just click on that. Then you will reach the home page.
Okay. Okay.
So then you don't need to worry about. So then everything is fine. Yeah, okay, fine then. see you in the next session. We'll try with the different ads, and you can even once you reach you can try creating the ads, uh, not just search ad. You can even try to see what are the other options in other type of ads also. I mean, depending on the time you get, you can try different options,
Okay, okay.
but of course we are going to learn everything,
Thank
so
you.
don't worry about that.
Thank you.
Okay, chalo, bye, see you. Yeah, thank you, bye.